My school had organized an exhibition called Abhivyakti. With great support and help of my teachers, I participated along with my friends Yashri, Naisha, and Dhyana.
This is a mathematical shape and nothing much special, but it is called ellipse. There are two focus points in it. It is drawing anything from one focus point, it reaches the another focus point. That's it. It is a cannon.
Explain.
वहाँ से बॉल डालेंगे तो यहाँ की स्पेस जो भी है वो सब सील हो जाएगा। देन यहाँ से पर्सन डालेंगे और ये सील कर देंगे पर्सन वाली जगह को भी, और फिर इग्नाइट करेंगे तो प्रेशर के साथ पीछे का जो ढक्कन है वो निकल जाएगा।
यहाँ से इग्नाइट करोगे?
हाँ, लाइटर से पर्सन डालने के बाद यहाँ से इग्नाइट करेंगे तो वो फोर्स के साथ बाहर निकल जाएगा। कमर्शियल ऑफ project which I say the full form of AC which is list multiple. First of all, spin the wheel. Spin First of all, we will put them last. हिंदी में बोलना 15 and 18 15 32 it is stable 3 4 no same 5 no same 6 same दोनों same so the least common multiple मतलब सबसे छोटा multiple है ना इनका 90 है 15 and 20 का it is the easiest technique to find the HCF. And if you want to do this in book, it will be a wrong method.
Good morning.
My name is Anusha. We are in grade 7th level. We are here to present our 3D shapes working model. As you can see, when I close it, it transforms into a 3D shape. And when I open it, it becomes a 3D shape net.
Very nice.
Let's talk about 3D shapes. We see them everywhere. Sphere-like ball. And this is the air pressure rocket. This is the project of air pressure rocket. The bottle creates air pressure and the air goes downward, so the rocket moves upward. And it is because it is working on Newton's third law of motion.
मैटर डिकम्पोज करके इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट करता है। ये कैथोड और एनोड से ले जाके डीसी मोटर में डालते हैं।
And the obstacle is stop. अभी तुम लोगों ने बनाई रेडीमेड?
कल या परसों ही बनाए तो अभी फॉर्मेट होने में टाइम जैसे एक हफ्ता।
वेरी गुड।
Good morning. My name is Yanisha. My name is Anisha.
क्या बनाया है ये?
डिजास्टर अलर्ट।
ओह वेरी नाइस।
अगर सी लेवल बढ़ेगा तो ये पानी डिटेक्ट करेगा और हमें अलर्ट देगा, जिससे हम कोई सॉल्यूशन ला पाए। वैसे ही अगर इन केस रेलवे ट्रैक टूट जाती है तो हमें बजर सुनाई देगा, तो हम ट्रैक बना सकते हो, इससे लोग कम मरेंगे। और अगर इसकी सी लेवल बढ़ जाए
green energy.
Solar energy and adaptive street lights and parking guiding system. It also includes piezoelectricity.
Very good.
Energy sufficient smart city है, which works on solar energy, which is a renewable energy. As in future, we will have to use this solar energy as our electricity generation. Here, the hospital uses solar power for the working of their medical instruments, which is used for to cure the illness of the person. Here, buildings also, common people also use solar energy for the electricity. Here, this house uses solar energy for the electricity, and here is a wireless car charger which works on the solar energy. Basically, in future we also need solar energy because it's a renewable energy, and also fossil fuels needs millions and billions years to form. So that's why solar energy is our future.
Correct. Very nice. Very good.
Nadi Ganga. From class 6
What's your name?
and my name is Adya. She is
Adya.
from class 6 So this is my project. Let me start it. Thank you. So as you can see, this is the heart. But the heart is actually located inside of our rib cage. This is the rib cage, and then behind it there are the lungs. And then the heart is situated in the middle. We are actually told that our heart is situated in the left side, but actually the left side of our heart, which is this part, is actually more stronger than the right part. Because of which we mostly feel the beating in the left side of the body. Because of which the scientists have said that it is located in the right side, left side of our body, but actually it's in the middle. So now this is the outer. It is the beeping part. As you can see, this will beep a little bit. If you will see carefully, this part will beep.
Oh, yes.
This is actually the pace in which our heart beats. It does not beep like much. It only beeps a little bit. This is due to the electric current which is coming from the veins. Now this is the inside of our heart, as you can see. This is the inside, and this is also the inside that I have tried to make. Okay, so I will explain you all of the parts. This is the aorta. This is the superior vena cava. It connects the deoxygenated blood to the lungs. And now this is the left ventricle. The left ventricle supplies all the blood to the body. This is the left atrium. This is the right atrium, which gets the blood from the body and then transports it to the lungs. The lungs sends the blood back to the left atrium, and then it supplies it to the body. I will show you how it works.
Oh, very nice.
It will move like this, and it actually happens almost like 200 times in 1 minute. Our heart does this process totally like 200 times in a minute. So ma'am, if you have understood this, I literally have a wheel for you in which you can spin 2 times. If you spin it 2 times and you get the answer right 2 of the times, you will get a chocolate. What's the function of our heart?
To pump the blood. To pump the blood is our...
Take any chocolate you want.
Oh, thank you.
वो इधर लीके में इधर से वो इधर से पानी आ रहा है ना इसलिए ये गिला हो गया
ये रहा
हेलो आंटी
Good morning.
पालड़ी से लेके श्यामल तक का पाथ इंडिकेशन
अच्छा अच्छा ओके ओके ओके
श्यामल आइकॉनिक बिल्डिंग
हाँ हाँ
શ્યામલ આઇકોનિક ઓકે
पेट्रोल स्टेशन
અહીંયા મારું ઘર આવજો ખાસ તો આ બ્રિજ તો ઉતરે
What is your project?
Vermicompost. Actually, it's an eco-friendly process in which earthworms such as Escherichia fetida, as you can see here, eat this type of peels, vegetable peels, kitchen waste, and they produces the excreted material known as vermicompost. It takes 45 to 60 days to form this vermicompost.
45 to 60 days
Yes. And
to completely get compost.
yes.
Longest one.
Yes. This is the longest and the biggest one.
ऑक्सीजन का
Thank you.
ऑक्सीजन के थ्रू ही होता है ना
Good morning, ma'am. It is about the circumference of circle. This is shows how the ancient people used to measure the circumference of circle. As per, we could pull this rope and see the people used to stack the rectangular parts like this as to find the circumference. As more number of triangles are there, it gets more accurate every time. We could also measure this by the formula of perimeter of rectangle area. Thank you.
Thank you.
My project is about the string which works on electricity. There is one speed controller and a chip which works with the help of the battery which is of 9 volts. Here is one DC motor attached of 6 volts. The wiring is from inside this turbine and the DC motor works on electricity. This setup is made up of wood sticks and the chairs are made of cardboard and colored. It is attached to the DC motor. When the DC motor turns, this setup turns and out my project.
Very nice project.
Thank you.
Which class you are?
6.
Body to make happy. We always have to throw trash and stuff in the dustbin for a clean and hygienic surroundings. We always have to plant more trees, which is good for our surroundings. We have to maintain our surroundings clean and hygienic.
Very nice.
Hello, my name is Nisha. My topic is about health and hygiene. Girls want to be interesting because there is then second, this is very party. The boy was bathing. There is a girl in her body. Then the girl was in her body.
What's your project? In vitro fertilization. Okay. Good morning. What is the project? Okay. Time before civilization. Okay, paso ako yung son. कैसा रिएक्ट कैसा रिएक्ट Okay, paso ako yung son. कैसा रिएक्ट कैसा रिएक्ट